It's just a real quick video. Mainly because my eyeshadow is just popping right now, okay? That's not the only reason. I was just telling somebody about something in a comment section. Whether or not they're going to see that comment, I don't know. Whether or not they're ever going to click on my name, I don't know. Come to find out, I think that's the only way to get people to notice me, is if I see them in a comment section and I come up with some creative way to try and get them to come check my channel out without actually saying those words, because restrictions will be tight and YouTube will just not let the comment go through, or the channel itself will have restrictions set to where certain phrases and words just, the whole comment will just not show up, and all that typing will be for nothing. So, anywho, this is a cure that works for anyone. It don't matter how old you are, it works. I've been doing this for my daughter all her life, okay? And it works. 100% of the time, it fucking works. And me, I've developed a way where I can, a method where I could do it myself. It's a cure for hiccups, okay? This is how to cure hiccups. No joke. No trying to stand upside down. No trying to drink water upside down. No holding your breath. No scaring somebody. None of that shit works. None of that works. It doesn't work. You see this part of the ear? These little nubs that stick out? You have to plug the ears with those. With the nubs. You gotta press down on the nub to plug the ears while trying to gulp some water. If you could gulp 10 gulps, you got. But I've even found it working after like 5 or 7 gulps. It works, and it be gone. Here's the cup I drew. Squirrely Brigade. See that squirrel? I drew that squirrel. All right, look. Hold the cup with these fingers like this, and these thumbs. And plug the ears with the thumbs. I know, it looks strange, but it works. And that's the point. Here goes. I know I don't have hiccups right now. I know. I've been trying to get the hiccups for you guys with watermelon and stuff, and it's just nothing's been working. And when I do get the hiccups, every time I get things situated, right when I got things situated, the hiccups are gone on their own. So I'm going to show you this way. There's other videos. This trick is out there. People do know about it. But here goes. Okay, this is how it's done. Plug the nubs. About choked on a little ice cube. You know how the freezer door will grind some of the ice up? Oh yeah. Alright. But yeah, no, that's how it's done. And guarantee it'll be gone. Okay, the channel DefNoodles. DefNoodles has had the hiccups for 2 days straight now. And he says he's tried everything. He says he's seen the comment sections. And he says he's tried everything. Have you tried this? Give it a whirl. DefNoodles, damn it, this one was for you. You had the hiccups for 2 days. You poor soul. Give this a try. 100% hiccup cure. Works on everyone. I don't care how old you are. It'll cure them. Give it a whirl. We out. Been real. You want to catch us in the morning for some of our cutesy little squirrely feedings? They're so adorable. Click on that subscribe button and stay tuned. And yeah, that's about all there is for that. Subscribe and stay tuned, and we out this piece. Been real. This is the part where I get up and I hit the button.